Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Y'all, I just thought about something. I don't even know if you can see me. I wanted to hop on here and tell y'all about the freebie. Hopefully you can see me. Let's see. I tell you, Facebook has just been crazy. I'll raise that up a little bit. Anyway, y'all, I know a lot of you guys are Perks members, and some people may not know what benefits there are for being a Perks member. If you like to craft a lot, if you make stuff to sell, you know, all those things, being a Perks member is awesome. You get 30% off all the time. And right now we've got a Valentine sale that's 25 to 75% off. And if you want to join Perks, you can get a free kit. It's a, hopefully you can see this. My printer is printing so light. Anyway, you get this cutout of a heart, and then key, and then ribbon. This comes with it. And this is like an example of what you can do. You can put any design on here, any of the transfers, but, yeah, that's very light. Sorry about that. Anyway, so joining Perks is 30% off all the time. Plus, it's like when we have a sale, it's the 30% off plus the sale amount. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hey, Joanna. Hey, Anita. Oh, Chris, you're working from home. Oh, you got home without taking out. Well, girl, get some rest. Anyway, I am. Oh, one other thing. Since we have this big sale, plus you can join Perks, and when you join Perks, it's $20 a month, but you get to use that $20 for credit on anything you want. And I was thinking, because I'm probably going to be doing this punch needle project later, and you get this free with a $100 order. It comes with a tote bag, the cutest little dachshund. It's called Cozy Pup. Anyway, so I got to get, y'all, I didn't do anything except change out my phone case last night and go to bed. And then I got to thinking, I got to fix these lights. Because I'm looking now, I do look tired. Somebody said, you look tired. I'm like, I'm not tired, but I do look it. And, you know, it could be 65 years old. Hey, Linda, my morning's going great. Anyway, so if y'all want to see the sales, which are 25 to 75% off, if you want to join as a Perks member, if you want to just see everything that we got going on, type the word Valentine's, and I put that in the first comment too. But I got to get this craft room straightened up, and I got to get ready, get my, it's not cameras, it's cell phones. I got to get my cell phones ready to, so y'all can see overhead. Actually, normally I use, it's called Switcher Studio to do overhead videos. And anyway, my iPad has been messed up, but it's getting fixed, and hopefully it'll be fixed Monday. By Monday, so that'll make it easier for me. But y'all, I was going to show y'all this on the back of the, I'll have to cut this. On the back of this, it shows you how to use the punch, and it's simple. It's like 1, 2, 3. You thread it, and then you punch it, and then you lift it out. So you may have ordered this, and it's on the way, but it's so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to do some punching. They say it's like great for aggression. Oh, hey, Anita. I hope you're doing good. But anyway, I'm going to hop off here. I just want to let y'all know about this special. And then I wanted to talk a little bit more about Perks. Now, Perks, you can join. You can stop anytime you want to. You can, like I said, get the 30% off, and then additional specials throughout the months. So if you have any questions, let me know. But if you type Valentine's, I'm going to give you the link for stuff. You can buy this kit, or you can get it for free by joining Perks. And Perks is like no commitment. Like I said, you can join and quit anytime you want. but it's great for super crafters like us who like all the stuff, who like to create, who like to sell your stuff. But anyway, just type Valentine's and check your Facebook messages. And if you have any questions, if you need anything, a lot of people have been needing the info from the phone case from last night. So let me know what you need and I'll get it to you. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye now.